Well, you know, the only shot that really never turns out is the one you don't take.
That's the truth.
How many times, and one time in particular, when I kicked myself, or at least what did I have to lose by taking the shot? And I was thinking, all this will never take.
Yep.
From that time on, I will never forget the shot that didn't turn out because I didn't take, and the shot of all things was an absolute once in a lifetime view of Mount Fuji.
Ah.
We were flying into Tokyo, and I saw Mount Fuji, and it was above cloud level. I mean, it was pure solid white clouds, and above it was Mount Fuji. I mean, just absolutely in all of its beauty and splendor. What you'd see in a National Geographic shot. And I'm thinking, oh, it would never take because I'm 30,000 feet and blah, blah, blah. And I taught myself, for some stupid reason, I taught myself out of not taking that picture. I mean, what did I have to lose?
So this is my filter right here. You get behind your rock to block some of this. But as you say, if it's a great shot, take it. If it works, it works.
I've never flown near Mount Fuji again in my life. So
Well,
that was
yeah.
a moment in time for stupidity that I taught myself out of taking a once in a lifetime event.
That's true. Get the shots you've got. Get the shots you can get. Awesome. If you guys accidentally are in my picture, do you care? No. Oh, okay.
You care.
If you're further away, then I just take it. But I thought, well, it verges on being like personal. This is a great little spot too. I love this spot.
I like how there's still little trees growing up at the top of those jetting out rocks.
There's so many.
Yeah.
There's like infinite photo possibilities here. So I'm kind of itching for the GoPro 9. It has like 14 megapixel frame grabs, so you can just walk and it's taking pictures for you. You can just grab a frame. This is the 8. This one here's the GoPro 8. It's really good too.